everyone and welcome to today's video. So today I'm going to be unboxing the Bomb Cosmetics advent calendar, and this is packed with 24 different soaps and bath blasters to open throughout December. So I actually picked up the Bomb Cosmetics advent calendar on Amazon. It was about £12 at the time that I purchased it, and there was this advent calendar along with another advent calendar, but I just thought that this one just appealed to me the most, so I went with this one, and I just thought I would unbox it for you guys so we can have a look and see exactly what is in here. Let's get started with door number one. Okay, so the first thing I was kind of hoping is that there would be some sort of description as to what each item is, which there is, so that's good to know for each day. So I was kind of expecting each piece of soap to be like individually wrapped up, so I will say be careful when you kind of jab into each window, but this is the first soap, and this is their Santa Baby soap. It says, Santa Baby, hurry down the chimney tonight. A festive flurry of Christmas treats are delivered to you through the pure sweet orange and the cinnamon oils. So this does smell really nice, but yeah, quite a good sized bit of soap, I'd say. You get a few uses out of that, either as just like a little hand washing soap or to wash over your body. I do believe this is half soaps and half bath blasters, which are like little bath bombs, but let's have a little look and see what's behind door number two. So door number two just here. So we have got another soap this time, and this is what this one looks like. Very interesting. Smells nice and fruity again. So this is their Strawberry Field soap. Fresh strawberries, so tempting you could eat it but don't. Instead, rub all over your body for all over refreshment with added aromatherapy oil. So that sounds really quite interesting. I also was kind of expecting that each one would be kind of Christmassy or festive. So let's have a little look and see what we've got behind door number three. So we've actually got our first bath blaster. So this is like a really cute little size. Nice little heart shape. I don't know if they're all going to be heart shaped or they're going to be different shapes. I'll just have to find out. But this is the Pineapple Express blaster. Everybody's laughing on the Pineapple Express with pure bergamot and grapefruit essential oils to pick you up and post you happy. This has got quite a nice fragrance. I'd say it's a very subtle pineapple. It's not coming across too tropically or fruity, but maybe the bergamot oil and essential oils are kind of drowning out the fragrance a bit, but yeah, very excited to have this in my bath. So on to door number four of this Bomb Cosmetics advent calendar, and this time, okay, let's see what it is. Let's just get it all opened up and out. So this time it is another bath blaster, and again heart shaped. So I'm kind of thinking the first two have been heart shaped, so probably the rest of them are. So this one smells really gorgeous, and this is the Fresh Berry Blaster. So a deliciously wonderful explosion with ripples of sweetness erupting and encapsulating your every sensation, leaving you feeling sweetly scented. And I really do love a berry fragrance. It's definitely one of my favourite fragrances when I'm having a bath. So think of like the Lush Comforter, that kind of berry fragrance I really do like. I definitely prefer this one to the first one, so yeah, high hopes for the rest of them. And on to door number five. Again, we have got another bath blaster. This one smells a bit like sweets. It smells like those strawberry refresher bars, if you've ever had those. And yeah, this is a butterberry blaster. So a fresh strawberry scented blaster with cocoa butter chips and cranberry seeds with geranium and myrrh essential oils. I'm guessing with those cocoa butter chips, this is going to be really soft and just kind of like smoothing and relaxing in the bath. I think I have to say, out of the three bath blasters so far, this is the one that I'm most looking forward to. So on to door number six, and we have got ourselves another bath blaster. This one smells lovely. So this is Cleopatra's Desire Blaster. Based on the essential oils Cleopatra used to seduce Mark Antony, this bath blaster is a real Roman treat. I don't really know what it smells like. It just smells like a relaxing fragrance, a bit kind of like hand creamy, but nicer, I guess. So yeah, interested to try this one out. On to door number 7. And I've got another soap this time. So this one looks really interesting. Smells really, really limey, which is just super refreshing. So this is the Lime and Dandy soap. Step out with a Lime and Dandy soap designed to lift your spirits with its fresh scent of pure lime and lemongrass oils to refresh, enliven and uplift. And this definitely is the sort of soap that I want to use in the morning to wake me up for the rest of the day. And on with door number 8. And it is another bath blaster. So I think I can safely say that these are definitely all going to be heart-shaped, which I don't mind at all. So this one is the Cotton Candy Blaster. And what can satisfy sweetie cravings more than this cotton candy inspired bath blaster? All the treats without the guilt and left with soft skin at the end, with pure jasmine and coconut oils. So this definitely has like a little hint of coconut. I'm not saying it's like super candy floss, it's definitely not as sweet smelling as a candy floss, but it does smell really lovely. The fragrance is very nice. So on with door number 9. So this one, okay, we have got this kind of, it's actually a really pale blue. I don't know whether it shows up so much on the camera, but it smells relaxing. So this is the Baby Shower Blaster. So it's nostalgic scents of baby powder with a creamy swirl of cocoa and shea butter to nourish the skin. Pure chamomile and clary sage essential oils calm and relax. It does smell really relaxing, and this would be a really excellent one to use, I reckon, like before you go to bed. And on to door number 10. So I've actually got another bath blaster. So this one here definitely has a bit more of a festive fragrance than the other ones so far. And this is the You Can't Catch Me Blaster. This mischievous blaster has run straight out of a fairy tale and into your bath, with festive scents of gingerbread and pure black pepper and neroli essential oils to bring you back to life. I am glad that I've got another more festive fragranced bath blaster, because the rest of the ones I feel like you could just use any time of year, and I really was kind of hoping that there would be a few more Christmassy ones, but this does smell really nice. Maybe this would be one to save for a little bit closer to Christmas. And on to door number 11. So thankfully we have got another soap this time, and I love how all the soaps so far have just looked so different. This one smells really orangey. So this is the Refresher soap, a refreshing wave of uplifting sweet orange and mandarin oils to blow away the dark clouds in your mind, promoting feelings of well-being and happiness. I like that you wouldn't get from first glance that this was going to be orangey. I thought I'd maybe pulled out another lime one. And on to day number 12, and surprise, surprise, we have got another bath blaster. This one's actually a little bit crumbly as I've pulled it out, and this smells really lovely. It's kind of like a bit fruity, but like almondy. But this is the Cherry Bathwell Blaster, or Bathwell Blaster, an exceedingly good bath combining fruity summer cherry scents with a hint of cookies, with pure essential oils which will help you relax and soothe you. I'm definitely not getting cherry in this. I would say this probably is my least favourite fragrance out of all of the bath blasters so far. And on to day number 13. So luckily back in with another soap, and this bit of soap is actually massive. So they're all obviously in the same size thing, but this one just looks really big for some reason, and just another interesting different soap. It smells kind of like a cocktail, to be honest. But anyway, this is the Caparina soap, if I've pronounced that correctly. So it's an exotic cocktail of Brazilian lime and grapefruit essential oils that's so awakening it could make a three-toed sloth, my favourite animal ever, shake his booty. Again, I wouldn't say that any of these are particularly Christmassy or festive. So behind day number 14 is another bath blaster. This one is very strawberry, if that's even a real word. But anyway, this is the Strawberry Sunrise Blaster. Feel the warm rays of a strawberry sunrise kiss your skin as natural butters condition. Pure mandarin and neroli essential oils awaken your senses to a new day. So yeah, this one definitely smells like really fruity and definitely a fragrance that I do really like. So behind door number 15 is another soap, and again, a really big piece of soap, and again, completely different to all of the other ones so far. This one smells like fresh laundry. So this is the Cotton Fresh soap. Let us lull you into a dreamlike state as the nostalgic scent of fresh cotton and pure patchouli and amorous essential oils soothe your worries away. And on to door number 16, and we have got another bath blaster, and this one, it's got quite a subtle fragrance. It's quite nice though. And this is the Hypno Bath Blaster, a swirly, glittery sensation dusted with fairy magic, designed to make your senses swim with its fine, delicate fragrance and pure bergamot and clary sage essential oils. So I can't see anything glittery about it just in my hand, but I'm kind of hoping that it's not going to let me down, and hopefully it's got some glitter inside, and once I pop it in the bath and it starts to fizz away, I'll see all of that glitter. And this is door number 17, so as you can tell, another soap, and again just with some random extra blocks in. I do really like that the soaps are just like a little bit extra and not just like a piece of plain soap. I'm not really sure what this one smells like, but it's definitely not my favourite soap out of the ones I've smelled so far. It's kind of a bit herby, I don't know. But anyway, this is their Adventures in Eden soap. It says, let the fresh, uplifting aromas transport you to your own secret garden where time stands still and you are forever young. With tea tree essential oil. Yeah, I mean, I'm going to use it, obviously. None of this is going to go to waste, but this is probably not my favourite. And behind door number 18 is another bath blaster, and I do love the colour of this. Again, I don't know if it's showing up fully on camera, but it's a really lovely purple colour. It smells kind of musky. This is their lavender musk blaster, so there we go. Not necessarily getting too much lavender, but it does smell nice. This says a musky, sexy scent with this rich, deep purple colour and a fresh white narcissus flower embedded deep into its skin with pure lavender and ylang ylang oil. So how exciting that they've managed to fit a flower inside this little bath blaster, and I'm wondering whether any of the others have got any other hidden surprises in them that they haven't mentioned. So I'm actually really excited to try this one out. And behind door number 19 we have got another soap, so quite a nice little ombre effect going on in this one, and this has got a really nice quite fruity scent as well. So this is the Plum Berry Ice Soap, an intensely sweet, fruity soap to crush negativity and help wash away fatigue using the power of bergamot and clary sage essential oils. And on to door number 19, and this is like a really cute tiny piece of soap. I love the swirl in it. It looks really interesting. And this one, it smells like, you know, if you get those shower gels or bubble baths that are like ocean fragrance or like that kind of thing, that's what it smells like. Definitely quite an uplifting fragrance, I have to say though. And this is the Crystal Waters soap, so there we go. Iced water freshness locked into a bar with a whirlpool of essential oils and a fragrant scent with lavender essential oil. So the swirl is actually serving a purpose and isn't just there for decoration, which I quite like. Again, quite a small bit of soap this time. I would have thought they'd at least be all the same size. And behind door number 21 we have got the final bath blaster. This one is a really lovely pink shade, and fragrance wise I'm not really sure what it smells like. It doesn't smell bad, I just can't really pinpoint exactly what it is. But this apparently is their jelly and custard blaster. So it says here, have a party in the bath with a nostalgic sense of jelly and custard and a hint of glitter to add some magic with pure clary sage and cedarwood essential oils. So maybe it's kind of like the sage and the cedarwood that I'm getting. I'm definitely not really getting jelly and custard, but I am excited that there's glitter in this one because again, from the outside, it just looks exactly the same as the other ones. And just a few more to go now. So behind door number 22 is this quite snazzy looking piece of soap with these kind of like curls in it, I guess. Another quite nice fruity uplifting fragrance, and this is their Free Spirit soap, full of uplifting scents and rejuvenating pure essential oils to raise your spirits and help cleanse the mind and body. Again, the colour of it, you would have thought it maybe would be lemony or limey. And then the penultimate one, number 23, is this piece of soap here. Smells quite minty, and this is their Snow Globe soap. So okay, we have another actually festive soap here. Bit few and far between, I will have to say, but anyway, this says, jump into our world held within a magic snow globe. A flurry of snowflakes, well, I definitely can't see anything in there, containing peppermint and amorous essential oils float down to soothe your soul. It's quite nice and minty, and just quite glad that there's something else in here that's a bit Christmassy. And then the final door, number 24. So this would be your Christmas Eve soap. And again, probably the most un-Christmassy looking thing you could have. We've got this white soap with these yellow, pink and blue curls running all the way through them. Doesn't smell festive in the slightest, but it is a nice fragrance. And this is the Electric Dreams soap. So set your mind free and start believing. This wonderful soap can have a profound effect upon the senses as waves of essential oils help wash away fatigue. Don't get me wrong, it does smell very nice and it does look very cool, but I was just kind of hoping that maybe there would be something a bit more festive in here, maybe like a red berry soap, or like the kind of orange and cinnamon, or I don't know, just something a bit more Christmassy for your last door in your advent calendar. So that was all of the soaps and bath blasters in the Bomb Cosmetics advent calendar, and I have like a few thoughts about this advent calendar. I think in terms of price, it's good value. So it was £12 when I picked it up on Amazon, and I believe as I'm filming this it's still around £12. So I suppose you're paying 50p for each piece of soap or bath blaster, which I don't think is unreasonable considering if you went to like an alternative brand, or you know, somewhere like Etsy or something like that, you probably would spend a lot more. I like the sizes of the pieces of soap. I think they're quite a good size, and the bath blasters do look quite cute. I was really hoping for some more Christmassy or festive fragrances. However, there is a second advent calendar that they have, and I may be wondering if that one's a bit more festive, so I might go and check that one out. But I do think it's a good advent calendar. It's a good price. It's definitely a lot cheaper than similar advent calendars or other advent calendars I have seen about this year. So if you like a bath, or if you like to try new soaps or things like that, then this could perhaps be the advent calendar for you. But do let me know if you've tried anything from Bomb Cosmetics before. But as always, thank you so much for watching today's video. I really hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, please do give the video a big thumbs up, leave me a comment, and if you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing, and I'll see you again in my next video.